Hi friends, this video shows how to check whether this power bank or external power source is charging the MetaQuest 3 or not. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So here I am going to use this power bank with this MetaQuest 3. So I want to check whether this power bank actually charging this MetaQuest 3. We can open this MetaQuest 3 app. Then tap on this MetaQuest 3 here. Then tap on connected MetaQuest 3 device. And here you can see the percentage of battery charge. So next I am going to connect this power bank. When I connect here, you can see this icon will change. See, now this icon shows it's charging. So let me remove it. See. So if you tap here, we can see the percentage of charge. See, now it shows the percentage. Okay, so this way we can check whether MetaQuest 3 is charging or not with the power bank. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.